Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian, and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. I want to address an issue that I heard about lately about the new Amazon seller that their account being deactivated as soon as they open it or as soon as they start selling few units. And I want to show you maybe the reason why your account get deactivated if you are brand new, or what to do to prevent this, and what well good practices on having a healthy Amazon account since the beginning, because this is very key, having a healthy account since the beginning of your Amazon FBA career, let's say. So make sure to stay till the end, hit subscribe, hit like, hit the notification, because I drop value every single video. So stay tuned for that. In order to understand why Amazon deactivate your account, I came up with a few rules, if I can say so. The first rule, I think you have to understand actually Amazon itself. They're customer-centric company, so the only thing they care is customer. Customer have to be happy. Customer have to get shipping in time. Customer have to get their item cheap, all of these things. If you don't really understand how these things works, you'll struggle selling on Amazon. It's nothing what you can do until you actually understand those things. And also, it's not enough to understand those things. Also, you have to study Jeff Bezos itself and to see how he actually thinking on long term, how is his mindset of how he built Amazon itself. You have to do the right thing since the beginning. In the beginning, when you open account, I want to say that Amazon doesn't really like beginners. Why? Because beginners make mistakes, and Amazon don't want mistakes. They want to be perfect since the beginning. So they know people make mistakes in the beginning. It's natural, especially if you never sell nothing online, or you are not a reputable company that open an Amazon account. For example, I don't know, Nike, if they open an Amazon account, they are already a reputable company. So Amazon will treat them differently from someone that have no track record, or it's an individual, or it's a brand new company, for example. Those new sellers, their account will be flagged, and Amazon, they will keep an eye. You'll be on the spot for Amazon all the time, so they will focus on you more. So because they want to see how you perform, right? So what the best thing what you can do when you open your first account, if you never have an account, none of the stuff like that, is to actually don't do nothing. Don't start selling straight away. Let the account cool down. So if you open an account, the best account you can do, it's a business account, and you will need a business, need an LTD. It's not a big deal to open an LTD. It's, I don't know, £100 from an accountant. They will open an LTD in your name, and boom, you have a company. And it's the best thing to open an Amazon seller account as a business, not as an individual. It's also okay for as an individual, but it's better for as a business from multiple points like taxes and all the stuff like that. Okay, now after you open your account, uh, don't do nothing. Just let the account cool down. For example, at least 1 month. You open it, you input all your detail, because Amazon will ask you like your proof of address, ID, and all the stuff like that. Send them those documents and don't do nothing. Quick disclaimer here: if you open as a business account, it's a £30 fee each month. But if you don't sell nothing, they will refund you that money back. As an individual, you don't pay nothing, but will be different. Like when you sell something, you will pay more per sell than if you are a business. But it's these things is not very important. I'm just telling you so you'll know. Okay, after you start selling, there is a few metrics that you have to know, and you have to be very careful of them because it's a nightmare if you mess this thing up. I will show you in my computer what I'm talking about. So you'll go here on performance and account health, the first one. So as you can see, there is those policy here that you have to be very careful of them. You can see it's suspected intellectual property violation and all this stuff like that. And Amazon actually want this to be zero. They don't want not one single error, not only one, zero error. If you mess one of those things up, you can appeal to them to retreat their policy complaint, but I highly doubt that you can do it yourself. It will be a nightmare. What I do, I got one time one complaint about used products sold as new, and I couldn't appeal myself. They always decline and decline and decline all the time. Also because I'm not an English speaker as a main language, and I didn't know actually what to write in those letters. So what you can do if you messed up one of these, you just go here on Fiverr and Amazon suspension, just type in and you'll find someone that actually knows how to deal with those issues. It'll cost you money. Those guys not gonna do it for free, but you will have a better chance to not being suspended on Amazon. Also, you have here delivery performance. If you don't deliver on time, they will suspend your account. Late dispatch rate. So you see here target under 4%. Basically, if you sold 100 units, so they're not gonna accept this. You have to be under 4%. So basically, 4 item out of 100 is the maximum error that you can make. And pre-fulfillment cancel rate. This is an issue that I see on dropshipping. A lot of this issue, which I'm talking about in a minute about dropshipping. And to cancel, you get an order and you cancel it. Amazon doesn't like that at all. Doesn't like that because they will lose money first of all, and they for every sale they have a 15% cut. So they don't want to lose money because you add an item on the inventory available and you don't actually have it. To get this, it's I think pre-fulfillment cancellation. It's worse than late dispatch because late dispatch, you can one day if you delay 1 day, 2 days, it's not gonna be a very very big problem. But customers usually get very upset and they make a lot of complaint if their order being canceled without any actual reason at all. You can invent something that was the last item and it was damaged or stuff like that. But this is the problem and why Amazon doesn't like it, because customers starting complaining. Customer hate when think about yourself. If you order something online and they cancel it without reason, you're not gonna be the happiest person in the world, right? Because you have to search on another website, and Amazon knows if they don't make the sale on their platform, people will go on eBay or another platform to buy the item. So, and eventually maybe they'll buy something more on eBay and they lose money because of that. So keep in mind, don't cancel orders. And this is the issue that dropshipping has. Dropshipping, it's a business model that I absolutely hate. It's a lazy business model. It's basically you find like an item on eBay, you stole the pictures, you stole the description, and you list it at a markup price on Amazon. And when you make the sale on Amazon, you basically go on eBay and take the customer detail and you upload it onto eBay, and basically the seller that sell that item on there, you ship straight away to your customer, and this will cause you a lot of issue. First of all, Amazon absolutely don't want this. So I think if you do drop shipping, stop. Please stop. Uh, you'll get suspended. Even if you don't make any mistake at all, your metrics are all on point. If Amazon discovered that you drop ship from another retailer, they will suspend you straight away without warning, without nothing at all, and you'll be forever locked on selling on Amazon. So please don't. I know it's very tempting to drop ship because it's, yeah, you stay in your home and you find images and products on the internet and you release it on your account. But if Amazon discover this, you'll be in trouble. You can drop ship, for example, if you have a product that you store it in your warehouse, and it's still considered drop shipping, but from your warehouse. I mean, you don't actually involve to package that products and ship it, and that is still drop shipping, but that is fine. But from retailers, okay? This is another thing that Amazon may suspend your account. Other things, I don't know. If you do all the things right, usually, for example, and the most of the time, to keep even healthier your account, you do it FBA. So basically, you ship the product in their warehouse. That will be very, very low chance that the products have any issue or any problem at all. I mean, is that the product, they ship it, they handle the return, they handle the customer service if customer have any complaint about that. Another thing why they may consider suspend your account if you have too many complaints about the product. For example, yeah, you done everything okay, like the products is what it say in the listing, is it, everything's okay, but gets bad reviews, and not only the your product gets bad reviews, also on your account you get bad reviews, like from a sellers, because usually people, I mean, is it what is it, you have to understand this thing. When someone purchases something and they are not happy with this, with what they, with the product or wherever that may be, those people, I don't know, become like um, the devil. They will try to destroy your business, not because we're not going to be only happy to return the product and get their money back. No, they want to absolutely destroy you. So they do everything what they can. They'll give you bad review on the product, they'll give you bad review as a sellers. So they'll try actually to destroy your business. So if you have too many complaints, usually Amazon deactivate the listing of the product. If they see there are too many bad reviews on that product, they will deactivate that listing automatically. This is a little bit low chance that they will deactivate your account, because bad product is a bad product, but you still, they want their customer happy, so they care about, again, their customer. So if you sell something that it's a bad product, you're not gonna make people happy with the bad product. This is another thing that they will deactivate your account, and like too many bad reviews also in your seller account, again, will deactivate you. You will give you a chance like to keep selling and get good reviews, so you'll get back, but it will be higher chance to get deactivated. Other thing, I don't know, maybe there's some other thing that I'm not familiar with. This I read it on their forum on Amazon seller account, which all the sellers have their own kind of issue, and I read there what is the problem, and most of the people complaining about their Amazon account being deactivated too early or very soon, or stuff like that. So that's why I made this video. Maybe you want to open an Amazon account, you never sell nothing, so I think this is a video for you, so you can understand what is the process, and to make a better decision in the beginning. If you have other question, or you may know some other reason why people get deactivated, let me know in the comment below, and I'll try to answer you, or I will add my Facebook and Instagram link. You can send me a message there. I will add that in the description as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you stay till the end, I really appreciate that. Thank you again. Don't forget also to like, subscribe, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.